Hello, my beautiful people from Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe and press the notification button. Thank you. One love. Bye bye. Hello, my people from Untouchable Mama. Una day. I greet everybody. My brothers and sisters, so we get with you. I want to talk. This video will go viral. Una don't still see am. As I see am, the thing I don't know as I talk about the video when this lady they send her Germany for happen. Now for happen this lady wey pikin dey for inside bed, another man dey do una know wetin I mean na. The pikin dey cry, the woman no even care, but some mothers I no know as I talk I don't know as I talk am. Some mother dem dey think say dem be mother because they born. No be so. No be because you born now you be the mother. E no make you a good mother. This one, they just dey do the baby dey cry, dey look there. I no fit put the video for here, my brothers and sisters. Una know now. I for put am on and see am. But this one, even I no fit put am for my page. Na shame and disgrace. A old woman, a mother, your daughter dey cry. She just pretend say she no see anything. The baby dey look there. And they film man. Wetin me I believe I believe say na that man. That man, na my opinion be this one. I believe say na that man. Na he program everything. May his friend may go there, may he come film am. That one na my opinion. Because say some women, you go dey tell maybe say men still dey talk now as we women still dey discuss. You go say if I got that woman place, even though say pikin dey cry, e no even care, no dey do this one. You understand now? You go say the friend go tell am say how woman go dey do something like that, okay. Go say okay, you know wetin, make we program something like this. You go see say na true I dey tell, because person wey the video there, that one dey for inside cupboard. People wey don see this video now still see am, because I no fit show am for you now for see am. The baby dey cry. That one dey for inside cupboard for there. The video then you go still close the door of the cupboard. You go still open am. The woman just feel unconcerned. Say nothing dey happen. The baby dey look there, dey cry. That small pikin now, if you can't grow up, that thing go dey inside im brain. Say something there. The time when you dey small, wey happen. When you can't grow, you can't dey talk am. Your parents go dey tell you say at that time now you dey small now, because this our brain, the memory, wetin you not supposed to memory when you dey small, now the memory go put am for there. You go put am for there. That small pikin that when you see im mother, they do this kind thing. The mother feel concerned. The pikin dey cry. Which kind something you dey do when your pikin dey cry, you no fit get up, make you go carry am. Some mother, I don't know as I talk am, because I don't know whether because some people believe say to born pikin na make you a mother. Not be only that one. Everybody say nobody not fit born, no. But not be only that one to make you a mother at all. That kind one where they do something like that now, the pikin dey cry, not get up, you no mind now, he continue what they do. If the pikin fall now, say he break hand, he break leg, that one go just still feel unconcerned. He go still feel unconcerned, say nothing happen. The thing where they pay me for inside now the pikin, because now then they pass through all these things. Because she go the thing say maybe he's small, he not know anything. Sometimes what you the thing say person is small, he not know anything. Now that one they dey for inside a brain. Tomorrow go they tell you say, see that time where I dey small, I remember so thing. My brothers and sisters, if una see this video, una not pray for the woman self. Una not pray for her, because as I see and say, which kind mother be this one? Which kind woman be this one? Some women, then too, I don't know as I talk am. Shame not there for their eyes. They not get for their eyes. Your pikin dey cry. you no care, you continue what you still they do. So now what you they do now they important pass your pikin. So women, they get mind shower, they get mind. All this kind of women now, even though you say pikin no even dey house, you not come 3 days, you not come 4 days, you know you go even mind self. You go say where it they okay for them. You know go this something not go move and say me I go check, me I go look for my pikin. Me I go see how it they do, how wetin happen why I not come home. My brothers and sisters, some women I call some women not they respect women. Now some women call some not the truth. Because the way when they say they behave, now make men not they respect women. Not be all women. Some women, wetin they do, now make some men they talk say all women are the same. Whereas all women we are not the same. We are not the same at all. Those one wey still there, we just still there, we not get brain. Where their brain they don't wash am, they don't put bleach, they bleach and throw away. When they're not the reason, they think go back instead of they think go front. Now back, now they think go. All women not be the same. Now so all men not still be the same. Me, because like me, I not fit to say all men are the same. No, because not all men not be the same. All women not be the same. So my brothers and sisters, I just see the video. It don't reach a week where I see her. I just say, okay, me I still talk about these things. Women, I beg. Like me, waiting they precious pass for me, now my children. Then my husband go follow on. Now the truth I they tell now. Now it make me I not get friends. I not get even Nijawu. My children is okay for me. Your children then be number one. Not be waiting you they do for them. Then be the number one. Now you're picking first. First of all, now you're picking where you born. Then be first before you they see other person. This one now you just they do and they samara for them. If you forget about say pikin they there say even they cry. So the cry of your pikin not touch you. You continue what you still they do. Now wow, when me go your year say something make boom for grant. I go they run they find my baby they go. No, so everybody not be the same thing. Anyway, my brothers and sisters, I just see and the thing just touch me for that small baby. It touched me. The thing touched me. How you will be more that they do that kind of thing for the front of your pikin where they there. Even though say if they sleep, the time one they do one. As you see, say wake up, you stop everything where they do. Just they pretend say una just they play. Now so you supposed to do one because small pikin, then they talk when they grow come out. Then they talk. Because say one day I see my mother like this. Then they talk. Now I make all social, all this ogbalekbe, they believe small children. Wait till they talk. They will say na real. Because they know they lie. Now wait till their eyes see, now they talk. So my brothers and sisters, I just talk this little thing. So some women, please, we wanna change. Wanna let men they respect us. Because if you know they do like this, man not go respect you. Because waiting me believe now be say now that man now go now he plan to videos this woman. You understand? Maybe the way they do something, the man go say you don't know hey this one. If you just put that thing for inside this thing, you don't even know whether I pikin they go eat, whether I go. Some women be like that, Some women they be like that. Once you don't put something for inside their home, they don't know whether another person they exist. So my brothers and sisters, just a little one now, just say me I just talk about these things because it's not good. All these things not good at all. Even we be married women self. If we want to do what we want to do, we they take time, because say you get pikin for his house. You go know as you want to do something. May they not come see you. Because not be only you want to live for his house. You go know as you arrange yourself. So that because to get respect for your children also. To get respect, I know saying a normal thing where man and woman they do, but to have for you to have that little respect, you know, see say small children now sometimes if you with the papa they say una want kiss each other, you go push you come up for there, go say I no want me you kiss her, or if you just hold and say you just you tie your woman to say me you just embrace her. You get at the pikin as if you get small children, you know they get the way when they say they do something. They no, they don't want mona live with each other. I don't want mona chigom mona self together. Stuff like I say they'll just see you. You not wear anything. The man not wear anything. The woman they shout for them. Baby they cry. He not even mind. He continue waiting still they do. My brothers and sisters from Untouchable Mama, I just quick talk this one. So that one where I said the man program the video. Now my opinion be that one because say some men then they say I go program you or something like that to see this woman and see they do something and see there for man now so it's still there for women they say and this man you never know and so they do they'll go video now because now somebody now go video there either na the man na me suspect say go video there or na the woman na go video I don't know but for me na the man na go video now you go say that woman you something don't dey inside is something you not even think they think about anything at all. That is for my opinion. From Untouchable Mama, remain blessed. One love. Please do not forget to share, like, leave your comments. Everything are free. Now do well. Thank you for being